nail buddies, for today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my own press-on nails. So let's get started.
First off, we need to make sure that we find the right size of our press-on nails. This nail right here is too big, as you can see on the sides. It's too big for my nail. So this is a no-no. And we're gonna move on to our next nail. This size is now too small. At first glance, you'd say that it's the perfect size, but you should always remember that when you need a little more force in order for the fake nail to properly adhere on your nail bed, then it's too small. And when you're wearing this kind of nail, it'll probably pop off. We don't want that to happen, so it's very important that we choose the right size. This nail right here is a perfect size for my thumb. This magnetic nail stand is a must-have for making your own press-on nails. What I do is I put on a tiny piece of double adhesive, peel it off, and then you put on the fake nail. Then you're good to go. You can decorate, put bling, do whatever you want with your nails. Don't forget to file the top layer of your fake nails, not too much, just to remove the shine, so that the gel polish or whatever design you will do, it'll adhere properly on your fake nails. Just wiping off the nail with a cotton pad and alcohol. And it's finally time to decorate our fake nails. I have here a black gel polish. You can use a regular polish, but I like the gel polish because it dries in like 2 minutes. I'll just cure this first layer for 2 minutes. I'm just wiping off the sticky layer with a cotton pad and alcohol. Doing the second layer now. curing that for 2 minutes. Again, wipe the sticky layer off. We have the top coat for our final layer. I have here the ring fingernail. I'm just gonna bling this up. I'll cover the whole nail with gems. For me, this is the most time-consuming part. I'll just apply the top coat on the other nails. Just curing the top coat for 2 minutes. And this is our final product. Let's move on to the application of your press-on nails. I already filed my nails. That's the only nail prep that you're gonna do. And then I'm just putting on this nail glue. You need to make sure that you cover the whole nail bed. Gently press down to make sure that it is properly attached.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to try other nail designs. Bye!